My hair, which I donated to Wigs for Kids, an organization that serves children suffering from hair loss. After enduring weeks of harassment and receiving no support from my school's administration, my mom shared my story on Facebook with her family and friends.
A Facebook page called Stand with Jetta was started to support and encourage Jetta during this difficult time and to raise awareness for bullying prevention. Local news stations shared her story, and since then it has gone viral. From all over the United States to Sweden, the Netherlands, England, and Australia, Jetta's story has been shared all over the world.
Jetta's school has finally responded, and she has received apologies from the bullies. Plans and policies are being put into place so that Jetta and other children at her school will not have to go through anything like this again. Jetta will continue her mission to raise awareness about bullying and encourage kindness and respect to others.
Although this session started as a program full of breakup songs, after this happened to Jetta, we noticed that the songs that you're about to hear are also about strength, encouragement, self-worth, and empowerment. We are taking a stand and speaking out against bullying. We stand with Jetta.
To cry, let me see you bruise.